Fleet Cost and Care, we make fleet management software products to help everyone in your company work faster, easier, and smarter, no matter where they are. The service department can be the lifeblood of your business. If your fleet isn't safe and rental ready at all times, you can be at serious risk. Communication issues can lead to costly mistakes, frustrated customers, and lost revenue if preventative maintenance isn't current. Parts are lost or coworkers can't do their jobs effectively. Our next-gen software and Atom mobile app create a centralized tracking system, so your service department has the tools they need to track and communicate every aspect of their job, whether it's in the shop or on the job site. That means no more handwritten or hard-to-find information, no confusion about which unit is down for maintenance or when it will be rental ready, and no more unhappy customers or coworkers waiting on down equipment. Our easy-to-use software creates a digital trail of every service department process. Now, accurate and verifiable service records are at everyone's fingertips. With our real-time repair and maintenance tool, your service team can quickly diagnose and repair equipment both in the yard and on the job site, and be accountable for a safe and maintained fleet at all times. They can even add parts and service detail to work orders and instantly send information back to the office for faster payroll and invoicing. Call us for a free demonstration on how your service department can improve with next-gen and Atom software from Fleet Cost and Care. You already work hard. Now work smarter.